जिस जहर का एक कातरा किसी की जान ले सकता है, वही जहर आज लाखों लोगों की जान बचा।
Deep within this reinforced facility, millions of arachnids begin their life cycle.
Precision climate control mimics the scorpion's natural desert environment year-round.
Each habitat is designed to minimize stress and maximize growth rates.
Automated feeding systems ensure precise nutritional delivery for the colony.
Regular inspections prevent disease and ensure genetic health.
Some batches are ground into a fine powder for capsule production.
The powder is encapsulated in a sterile, pharmaceutical-grade environment.
Whole dried scorpions are packaged for traditional practitioners. Final products are boxed and palletized for global distribution.
From a controlled habitat to a life-saving medicine, the cycle is complete.
For high-value pharmaceutical applications, venom is extracted individually.
Low-voltage electrical stimulation prompts the release of the precious toxin.
Each droplet is collected in microvials to preserve purity. The raw venom is immediately frozen to halt enzymatic degradation.
Samples are sent to the quality control lab for potency analysis. Scorpions destined for traditional medicine undergo a different process. Flash boiling sterilizes the batch and locks in medicinal compounds.
The sterilized catch is spread onto industrial drying racks.
Large-scale dehydration ovens remove moisture over a 24-hour cycle.
Post-drying, the brittle scorpions are inspected for structural integrity.
Some batches are ground into a fine powder for capsule production.
The powder is encapsulated in a sterile, pharmaceutical-grade environment.
Whole dried scorpions are packaged for traditional practitioners. Final products are boxed and palletized for global distribution.
From a controlled habitat to a life-saving medicine, the cycle is complete.
The dried scorpions now enter the high-precision milling phase, where raw material becomes fine powder. This powder is transferred to chemical reactors where active compounds are isolated from the inert biomass.
Child-resistant caps are torqued onto the bottles with measured force.
This facility stands as a testament to the synthesis of nature and advanced engineering. The purified liquid is then concentrated through evaporation, leaving behind a potent medicinal resin.
Quality control technicians extract samples to verify the chemical profile against strict pharmaceutical standards. Approved batches are moved to the formulation cleanroom for final processing into consumable medicine. Here, the concentrated resin is mixed with stabilizers and formed into precise dosage units.
Laser sensors inspect every single tablet for microfractures or size deviations.
Verified tablets are counted and dropped into pharmaceutical-grade glass bottles.
Desiccant packs and cotton buffers are inserted to preserve freshness and prevent breakage.
Induction sealers apply an airtight foil barrier to the bottle rim.
Child-resistant caps are torqued onto the bottles with measured force. High-resolution labeling machines apply the branding and dosage information.
Palletizing robots stack the cases with geometric efficiency, preparing them for transport.
Automated guided vehicles transport the pallets to the shipping dock. At the loading bay, pallets are scanned and loaded onto temperature-controlled trucks. The fleet departs, carrying the scorpion-derived medicine to distribution hubs worldwide. Air freight ensures rapid delivery to international markets and hospitals. Upon arrival, the medicine is distributed to pharmacies and clinics. Stringent tracking ensures the chain of custody is never broken. From a venomous predator to a life-saving treatment, the transformation is complete. This facility stands as a testament to the synthesis of nature and advanced engineering. This facility stands as a testament to the synthesis of nature and advanced engineering.
Providing millions of doses annually, pushing the boundaries of modern biotechnology.
The facility spans acres, designed to mimic natural arid conditions.
Inside, millions of arachnids thrive in vertically stacked, climate-controlled units. Each habitat replicates the scorpion's natural environment with precision.
Temperature and humidity are monitored constantly to ensure optimal growth.
Breeding mothers are isolated to protect the vulnerable offspring. Once born, the scorpions ride on their mother's back until their first molt.
Technicians follow strict biosecurity protocols to prevent contamination.
Feeding is automated and precise, delivering protein-rich diets.
Waste removal is critical to prevent bacterial growth and disease. Periodic UV inspections reveal any health issues or molting complications.
Specimen health is tracked individually using advanced imaging systems.
Only mature scorpions meeting strict criteria move to the harvesting stage.
The harvesting zone is a clean room environment with higher safety standards.
Venom extraction requires electrical stimulation, a process harmless to the arachnid.
A single drop of precious venom is collected from each specimen.
The venom is immediately frozen to preserve its complex protein structure. For whole-body medicine, scorpions are washed and purified in saline.
A secondary rinse ensures all contaminants are removed before drying.
Dehydration occurs in industrial ovens to lock in medicinal properties. The dried specimens are pulverized into a fine, pharmaceutical-grade powder.
Chemical refinement isolates specific peptides for targeted treatments.
Quality control microscopes verify the purity of every batch.
The medicine is encapsulated or bottled in a sterile, clean room. Each package is serialized for global tracking and authentication. From a desert farm to a modern pharmacy, the process is complete. Specialized technicians perform the delicate task of venom extraction using low-voltage electrical stimulation. For traditional medicine applications, whole scorpions undergo a rigorous cleaning and desiccation process. Dried specimens are pulverized into a fine powder to serve as a base for various pharmaceutical compounds. The extracted venom and processed powder are then refined into precise chemical formulations. Finally, the medicinal solution is bottled, sealed, and prepared for global distribution to hospitals and pharmacies.